Hey curious minds, welcome back to our channel, a destination for exploring the wonders around us. Today we are diving into a topic that often goes unnoticed in our daily lives but plays a crucial role in our visual experience, the blink of an eye. Have you ever found yourself wondering why do we blink? It's a simple action we perform countless times each day, yet its significance extends far beyond just keeping our eyes moisturized. In this video, we are going to unravel the mystery behind this reflex and explore the science behind it. Now let's go on this eye-opening journey together. So one of the main reasons we blink is to spread the tears across the surface of our eyes. This thin film of tears not only keeps our eyes moist but also helps in nourishing and protecting the cornea, the transparent front part of eye. Without this constant moisture, our eyes would be prone to irrigation and infection. Our eyes have an amazing ability to detect the potential threats and respond in a fraction of a second, whether it's a sudden gust of wind, dust particle, or even bright lights. Our blink reflex acts as a quick defense mechanism to shield our eyes from harm. But blinking is not just a physical response to external stimuli. Studies show that we also blink as a cognitive function. Have you ever noticed that? We tend to blink more when we are thinking and processing information. It's like our brains hit the refresh button, allowing us to focus better. So blinking is a kind of momentary rest for the brain. On average, humans blink their eyes about 15 to 20 times per minute. This means that in an hour, we blink approximately 900 to 1200 times. Over a course of a day, it adds up to around 14,000 to 28,000 blinks. Keep in mind that blinking frequency can vary on the various factors. Estimates suggest that over an average lifespan of around 80 years, a person might blink over 1 billion times. That means we spend about 10% of our waking hours blinking. So now you know the blinking is a kind of momentary rest for the brain. And we spend 10% of our waking hours in the dark thanks to blinking. If you find this video informative, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel and stay blinking.